Hi everyone, it's my immense pleasure to welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Myself Nagam Dileep. I am from Telangana and I am currently pursuing professional undergraduation in BTech with CSC as a stream in Bharat University, Chennai. Coming to my project is based on creation of virtual reality. I created the virtual reality of a resort using the Frame VR tool. Firstly, entering into my virtual world, here we can see some of the characteristics of resort management and also the rules and the regulations of the resort. I can play a peaceful music for you. Here we go with the dining hall. The dining hall welcomes us. Here we can see the dining tables over here and also some of the beautiful collections of the food items. Moving back, we can experience some of the beautiful birds flying over the sky. And also we can experience the parachute over the sky. Moving forward, we can see no parking board. Here we can see the parking slot for the vehicles. Now we enter into the block. Here we can experience some of the beautiful collections of the resort. Here is a video for you. I can play it for you.
Matchless virgin beauty, breathtaking scenery, and incomparable ocean charm. In a heartbeat, you can flee urban madness for matchless splendor. Siam Royal Bay, the island in the island.
Coming out of these, we go for the beach side. Moving forward, oh, it's raining over here. I created this rain using the virtual objects using the Frame VR tool. Here you can see some of the boats and the seaplanes over there, and also the beautiful sunset over there. And finally, have an overview of this virtual world. And also experience the overview from this point of view. For greater experience, I recommend you to view this virtual world using the cardboard or the headsets. And finally, if you like my virtual world, I request you to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.